Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Dodge Journey in an SE trim, I believe, and powered by a 2.4-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the back, where you have a relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and underneath here you have some more storage area for all of your stuff with a 12-volt power outlet right there. And then looking at the back seat, where you have wide entry to the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably and spaciously with fold-out armrests and two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet there in the middle and storage bins on either side under the floor mats, which is always nice. And then looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 104,012 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, fuel economy, your trip info for your trip A and B, tire pressures, vehicle info such as service info, and all of your current stats. You have messages such as warnings and anything. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, CD, auxiliary, and I believe also USB capable. So you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. But then moving down, you have a little cubby here. You have your hazards, your climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also your media controls here. And then down below you have this cubby area with a 12-volt power outlet. You have two cup holders. You have a little mesh pocket there to the side, and then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have your center compartment / armrest here with a little removable tray inside, and another 12-volt, as well as your USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge, or just hook up your audio from there. And you can also slide this open for ease of access. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.